Great. So I was telling you that I want this to happen. So first three statements, only one thread should execute. And next three statements, multiple threads should execute. This is what I want. How to achieve this? Watch it. To achieve this, I have to use synchronized. How you will do it, sir? This synchronized what you are speaking about. This synchronized, 100%. You can give it to one person. To which person I should give, sir? To a method. The same synchronized, you can give it to a block also like this. So you guys know how you should give it for a method. Let me come to a block. To a block, how can you give synchronized? When you open the curly brace, close the curly brace, we call it as a block. To this block, you give here synchronized like this. He will start behaving like a synchronized block. So now, you should use synchronized block in my program to get or to meet the expectation. Question arises, how? Watch it. So this is my program. Awesome. Here, what you are locking? Entire method you are locking. So that is why only one thread is executing all of these statements. I will remove that synchronized from a method now. I will do it, sir. Synchronized I will remove. Now, where I should give the synchronizer? Watch it. With three statements, you want only one thread to execute? First, second, and third. Am I correct? So what I will do, all of these statements, I'll just take them. I will take it, sir. Watch it. From here to here, all of these statements, I'll just take them like this. And I'll put them inside one block. I'll open this, close this, I'll put it here in one block. Which block is this, sir, if you ask me? This block, I will call it as synchronized block like this. Good. So this is the synchronized block and it is telling me to give something. So here, you have to give there one keyword. Which keyword? This keyword, like this you should give. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is only one thread should execute this synchronized block. That is the meaning. Sensing this much. So now let us see how I will get the output. If in case I save this and execute it, this is how the output I am getting. You can notice boy is executing statement 1, boy is executing statement 2, boy is executing statement 3. Wonderful. Now, boy is executing statement 4 also you are getting. Okay. Others is executing statement 1, boy is executing statement 5, others is executing statement 2, boy is executing statement 6, others is executing statement 3. Like this you are getting. Are you guys sensing something there? What you guys are sensing? I'll end this. What you guys are getting from this? So if you notice, boy is executing statement 1, statement 2, 3 and 4. Means only one thread is executing till statement 4. But I want till 3. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just change this program. Because of the time this is happening, I'll include some more statements now. I'll copy this, I'll paste it like this. And again I will paste it. Good. I'll just remove the synchronized block. Great. It's working, but the output, what you're getting, it is not understandable to you. To make you understandable, let me put it in a proper way now. Watch it. So 4, 5, and here, I'll remove this statement. I don't want it. Great. Good. So I will give here as statement 6. Beautiful. Maybe I will give here as what? Statement 7. Great. After that, I need a delay. Let me get the delay now. Thread dot sleep like this. So I need 3 seconds of sleep. That is 3 seconds I'm giving. After that, I will give it as 8. So only 8 statements I need. So I'll just eliminate this line. Very good. What's this? To make you understand properly, let me change this now. See, it's working properly. The thing is, the output what you're getting, it's not understandable to you. Let me put it in other form. What is that, sir? Watch it. Now what I want is statement 7 and 8. What is that? Statement 7 and 8 only. Maybe statement 7 and 8, I want multiple thread to access. What is that? Multiple thread to access 7 and 8, but only one thread to access this. If you are doing this, you are not understanding. So what I will do reverse now. How will do reverse, sir? What's this? I want statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, 4, 5 and 6. All of these statements, multiple threads should access. How many threads should access? Multiple threads. So statement number 7, statement number 8, only one thread should access. This is what I want. Because previously when we did, it is working, but output is not understandable how it is working. So I'm just changing it. Let me repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many threads? Multiple threads should access. 7 and 8, only one thread should access. This is what I want to achieve. Got this? Great. So now, question arises, how you will achieve this, sir? Very simple. You should identify among all of these statements, which statements only one thread should access. Which statements? Statement number 7 and 8. So now what I will do, statement number 7 and 8, I'll just take them like this. And I'll put it inside one block. Which block is that, sir? Synchronized block like this. And I'll put it here. So now I should tell here that this I should tell, meaning only one thread should access or execute this statement. That is the meaning. Getting is what I'm trying to tell. So now let us see what output I will get. Now if in case I save it and execute it, you can notice my output, you are getting it like this. First statement, how many threads are executing? Multiple threads. Second statement, multiple threads. Third statement, multiple threads. Fourth statement, multiple threads. Fifth statement, multiple threads. Sixth statement, 100% multiple threads. Now you look, statement number 7. You can notice only girl, and again you'll get girl here. Only one thread is accessing it. So now, boy is executing statement 7, boy is executing statement 8, others will execute statement 7, and others will execute statement 8 like this. Now if you notice, from statement 1 till statement 6, how many threads are executing them? Multiple threads. What about 7 and 8? Only one thread. Now you guys are getting the output? Yes or no? Awesome. So, what is the conclusion from this, sir, if you ask me? The conclusion is quite simple. If you want to make all of these instructions to lock, or in other words, if you want all of these statements to be executed by one thread at any point of time, this entire method you lock by telling synchronize. But your expectation is not all of these statements, only few statements inside this. You take those few statements and put it inside synchronized block. Only those statements will get locked. Sensing this much. So whatever the concept I'm telling it there, this is technically known as what? Synchronized block. To lock only few statements inside your method. Is there any doubt in this? No doubt. So with this, let me proceed further to my next topic. What is that, sir, if you ask me? Watch it. So till now, whatever the multi-threading we understood multi-threading with the help of one diagram. Which diagram is that, sir? Using stack diagram. Beautiful. Now, we have to understand multi-threading with another diagram now. Then only we can tell to the world that I know concurrent programming, I know multi-threading end to end. You can tell to the world, or else you cannot tell. Which is that, sir, if you ask me? Watch it. The name of this diagram is what? State diagram. Understanding multi-threading with stack diagram is very important. Understanding the multi-threading with state diagram, that is also very important. So now you will ask me, what is a state diagram is all about, sir? What's this? Any thread you take in Java, all the threads will be having states. They're having the states. Now you'll ask me, what states are those, sir? Buckle up and watch this. Any thread you take in Java, it will be having one state, and that state I'm representing it like this. There is another, oh, very good. This is the state. Good. There is another state, and that state I will represent it like this. There is another state, that state I will represent it like this. There is another state, let me represent it like this. There is another state, that is the fifth state. I will put it here. This is the sixth state. I'll put it here, and it is the seventh state. I will put it here, like this. Total 7 states are there. Now you'll ask me, what are the names of these states? Let me go step by step. The name of this state, we call it as new state of a thread. The name of this state, we call it as runnable state of a thread. The name of this state, we call it as running state of a thread. So this, we call it as dead state of a thread. Let me come here. This is known as sleep state of a thread. This is known as block state of a thread. And this is known as wait state of a thread, like this. These are the states of a thread. So now you will ask me, any thread, when it will go to new state? Any thread, when it will go to block state? Any thread, when it will go to the wait state? When they will go? That is what I'm showing you there. Watch it. Whenever you create the new thread object, or whenever you create an object of a class which is extending the thread, that time it will enter into one state. Which state? New state. Very good. After that, whenever you call one method, which method is that, sir? Start method. That time thread will go to one state. Which state? Runnable. Now whenever you call the run method, that time it will go to running state. From running state, it can go to a sleep state. When is that? When you call a method known as sleep method. From running state, it can go to a block state. When is that, sir? When resources are unavailable. What is the meaning of this? I will tell you, but I'll just tell resources are unavailable. That time it will go to a block state. What is the meaning practically? We'll understand. Very good. Now from running state, it will go to the wait state like this. When, sir? Whenever you call a method known as what? Wait method. In the same way, from running, it will go to a dead state when your thread has completed its execution or terminated. The total of how many states are there? 7 states are there. But what to do? Sometimes it's not always the 7. What are you trying to tell, sir? In interviews, if they ask you that, how many states of a thread are there? 7 you will tell. Then he will ask you, oh, what are those? Please tell me. All of these states you will tell. Then for some developers, they will tell, no, there are not 7 states. Then you will be like, sir taught this only. Then sir is wrong. Oh, he fooled me. Don't tell like that. You have all the trust on me? Huh? Thank you so much. So 100%. For some developers of this world, there are totally 7 states of a thread are there. But for some developers, it is not 7 states. Instead, there are only 4 states are there. How many states are there? 4 states are there. So now you'll ask me, how 4 states, sir? Watch it. Some people will consider this sleep, blocked, and wait as one state like this. All of them they will consider as one state, and they call this state as what? Block state. Some people will consider runnable and running as one state, and they call this state as what? Runnable, like this, put together. Now if you look here, think and tell me how many states you have? 4 states are there. Which are those? New state, runnable, dead, and block state. That is what some developers will think. Some developers will tell that, no, it is not 4 states, it is 5 states is what they tell. 5 states are there. Which are the 5 states, sir? Watch it. The sleep, blocked, and wait, all of them put together is one state known as blocked. That's it. Now tell me, how many states? New, runnable, running, dead. Another is one blocked state. Totally 5 states are there. So now you'll ask me, sir, what answer I should give then? Should I give 7 states? Should I give 4 states? Or should I give 5 states? Then this is how you should explain. Sir, as a Java developer, there are total of 7 states are there. Name all of these 7 states. Then don't put an end to it. You put a comma. For some developers of this world, sir, there are only 5 states. Which are those? You name them. After that, you should tell again comma. For some developers of this world, sir, there are totally 4 states are there. But for me, as a beginner, as a Java developer, I have understood multi-threading by using 7 states. That is why I understood multi-threading in a much better way. That is how you should answer. Got this, all of you? Any doubts in this? No doubts. Great. So now you'll ask me that what are these states of a thread, sir? How it will work practically? Can you please explain? That is why I'm here in front of you today. Okay, sir. How it will work, sir? Watch it. Now, let me explain all of these states of thread using one program. To program, I have to get my Eclipse. This is my Eclipse. Wonderful. So all of this bathroom and all, I don't want it now. End of the story. Very good. So bathroom, thread, I will not do anything. I'll just remove them. So let me start fresh. You have main method, which is there in the demo class. Nothing is there other than main method. Very good. I want to explain the states of a thread by using an example, using one analogy. You'll understand the topic in a much, much better way. Which one is that, sir? What analogy is that, sir? Let me bring Mahabharata in front of you. You guys know Mahabharata, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavata. I hope you know this, right? In Mahabharata, it's a big, big story. Okay, so people tell that Mahabharata actually started from Shantanu Raja, right? And it ended till Parikshita king, the son of Abhimanyu. Okay, anyhow, you forget about this. I want to take only one part of story of this Mahabharata, only one part. What is that, sir? If you look here, there are 2, oppositions are there. Yes. One team is what? Pandavas. Another team is what? Kauravas. So there is always a fight going on. If you look at Pandavas, there are 5 brothers are there. Who are those? Dharmaraya, we call it as Yudhishthira also. Number 2, Bhima. Number 3, Arjuna. Number 4, Nakula, Sahadeva. This is one team. Very good. Come here. 100, I cannot name them. Among these brothers, among 100 brothers, 2 brothers are very famous in this story. Who are those? Duryodhana and Dushasana. For all of these 100 brothers, there was only one sister. Do you know? Dushili. See, her name is also starting from the only, Okay, anyhow. So this is how Pandavas, Kauravas are there. But forget about them. But if you look here, for Kauravas, there was a head brother, elder brother was there. Who was he? Duryodhana. Duryodhana's best friend was there. Karna. Here, there is one brother. Who is that? Arjuna. And there is always a fight between Arjuna and Karna. That I am the biggest warrior. I am the biggest warrior between Arjuna and Karna. Actually speaking, Karna is not Kaurava. Is what? Pandava. So that is a different story altogether. This is a Java class, by the way. I hope all of you know. So I just want to take only one piece of this entire Mahabharata. That is a fight between Karna and Arjuna. Using this story, I want to explain my program. How will do it, sir? Watch it. See, these 2 warriors, they tell that I am the biggest warrior when they get nuclear bombs. What you are speaking, sir? Nuclear bombs actually originated in 1945. And you are speaking about somewhere I don't know what is that or which era is that. That time nuclear bombs were there, sir. Yes, nuclear bombs were there, but with the different names. What is that, sir? Brahmastra. It's like a nuclear bomb only. There is another bomb, Sarpastra. Hope you guys know in Ramayana. No? Okay, anyhow, Sarpastra is there. There is another Astra, which is like big nuclear bomb. What is that? Pashupatastra. It's not Pashu, it is Pashupatastra. So now if any warrior is getting all of these nuclear bombs, he is the biggest warrior. No one can face him. He's that much stronger. Like now, Russia and America is there. No one can touch America and Russia. They will tell, you are touching me. You need one nuclear bomb. You cannot touch them. In the same way, it was like that back then. Same story. I want to put it here. What's this? So what I will do, I want warrior. So I will tell class warrior like this. I want him to behave like a threat. So I will tell it as what? Extends threat. Very good. So now, warrior's main goal is to get those 3 nuclear bombs, 3 astras. I'll call these 3 astras as resources. How is that, sir? Watch it. I will tell string resource 1. And this resource 1 is first nuclear bomb. What is that, sir? Brahmastra. Like this I will tell. This is Brahmastra. Very good. I will hit enter. There is another nuclear bomb. I call it as resource 2. And this resource 2 is what? Sarpastra. So I will tell it as Sarpastra. Like this. There is another nuclear bomb. I will tell it as string resource 3. And I call him as what? Pashupatastra. So I will tell it as Pashupatastra. Very good. Awesome. So 3 resources are there. It is ready. Let me show you here. So there's 3 astras are there. This is the first astra, which is resource 1. And I will just tell it as B. B means Brahmastra. There is another resource. And this resource, I call it as resource 2. We call it as what? Sarpastra. In short, I will tell it as yes. There is another resource is there, very important resource. What is that? Resource 3, that is Pashupatastra, like this. 3 resources are ready now. Very good, sir. Next what, sir? Watch it. So now, I will get Arjuna now. Arjuna is a warrior, right? Yes or no? So Arjuna, I will put him inside the warrior because he is a warrior. Okay, sir. How will do it, sir? Watch it. I will tell it as public void. He is Arjuna. I will tell it as Arjuna like this. Very good. Awesome. So what Arjuna will do now is the question. What Arjuna will do? Arjuna wants all of these resources. He wants all of these resources. Question arises, how Arjuna will get these resources? How? How? That I need Brahmastra, means Brahmastra will come. No. If you guys seen the serials or you guys have read the books, you'll get to know that. If you want to get these astras, actually Brahmastra is a nuclear bomb belonging to Brahma. That is what story tells. If you want to get this astra, you have to impress Mr. Brahma. Then only you'll get this astra. Question arises, how you should impress Brahma is the question. How? How? Brahma, like this you can't tell. You have to go for meditation, tapas. You should tapas for years together. Then only Brahma will come, he will get impressed, he will ask you, what do you want, Kanda? Like this he will ask. Then you can ask whatever you want. Then Brahma will tell, Tatastu. That time you will get what you want. Yes or no? Means now, Arjuna want what? Brahmastra. If you should go or if you should get that Brahmastra, what you should do now? You should meditate. Yes or no? Great. Question arises that meditation, how you will tell it in Java? Sleep. You should tell sleep, meaning meditation. Okay, sir. How will meditate, sir? Watch it. I'll come here and I will tell it as thread dot sleep like this. So just understand some 3 years he will meditate. So that 3 years I will tell it like this. Great. So after 3 years of meditation, 100% Brahma will come now. Arjuna, what do you want, Kanda? Please tell me. Arjuna is like, Brahma, I want nuclear bomb which is present in you. What is that? Brahmastra. Please give me, no? Then Brahma is like, I'm pretty impressed with your meditation. Tatastu. Now Arjuna, what you will get? Brahmastra. Where is that Brahmastra present in? Resource 1. Means he will get the resource 1 like this. He will get resource 1. Now think and tell me, it's a very important resource, right? Will you take this Brahmastra and keep it in the living room? Yes. Say for example, India is also having nuclear bomb. Have anyone seen where these nuclear bombs are present in India? Where? You don't know. Because this is very important resource, right? You have to lock it somewhere. In the same way, this Brahmastra is very important. You have to lock him. How to lock, sir? How you lock in Java? Synchronized, you should tell. How you synchronize, sir? Watch it. So now, this resource 1, he will lock it. How he will lock it, sir, if you ask me, he will tell what? Synchronized, and he will lock this resource 1 like this. After locking, he will tell to the world that, hey, I'm having Brahmastra with me. Sir, why he should announce, sir? You tell me. America will loudly tell to the world with full of pride that I am having 5,400 nuclear bombs. It will tell openly. Russia will also tell, oh, you are having 5,400. I'm having 5,800. Openly it will tell. Now Iran also has told just now that I am also having nuclear bomb. That is why for Israel, something it is happening to Israel. But anyhow, this is geopolitical scenario. But whenever you have a nuclear bomb, you will tell it to the world. Yes or no? So that you will feel powerful. In the same way, this Arjuna got Brahmastra. Means he's a powerful guy now. He should announce to the world that I'm having Brahmastra. He should announce. How will announce, sir? Watch it. What he will do is, he will come here and he will announce like this. How he will announce, sir? He will tell. How he will tell? System.out.println. He will tell, hey, Arjuna got what? What is resource 1? Brahmastra. So you will tell it as Brahmastra. You in the sense, Arjuna will tell, I have acquired Brahmastra. Got this? Great. So now tell me, will Arjuna will stop now? Arjuna will stop? No. He need more nuclear bombs. He need more nuclear bombs means again he should go for meditation. Question arises, how? Previously, how he meditated? For whom? Brahma. Now he wants Sarpastra. For whom he will meditate now? Sarpastra is from Shiva? I don't know, you should tell me. Okay, for Shiva he should meditate. So I will come here and I will hit enter like this. And I will tell thread.sleep like this. After he getting Brahmastra, see, he got Brahmastra, immediately again he will go for meditation like this. Very good. Okay, sir, how many years he will meditate again, sir? He will meditate for another 3 years like this. After 3 years of meditation, again Shiva will come. Oh, you have impressed me for meditating 3 years. What do you want? Then he will be like, I want Sarpastra. Okay, Tatastu. Now what Arjuna will get? Resource 2. He will get that resource 2 now, like this. And this resource 2 is another nuclear bomb. It's very important. So what he will do is, he will lock it. How he will lock it, sir? He will lock it by telling synchronized like this. He will lock it. Very good. After locking it, he will tell to the entire world. How he will tell, sir? He will tell system.out.println within double quotes. He will tell Arjuna got what? Sarpastra. So this Sarpastra is already there. I'll just copy this. I will put it here. He will tell he got Sarpastra. Very good. So now how many nuclear bombs he got now? 2 nuclear bombs. He is not happy. He wants this also. If he wants this, Pashupatastra he wants. This nuclear bomb belonging to which person? Again Shiva. So now he should meditate to Shiva again. How he will meditate, sir? Watch it. After announcing exactly, he will again go for meditation. And how he will do meditation, sir? By telling this sleep, and now 100% he will meditate for 3 years. Immediately Shiva will come. This time what you want? Tell me. Then Arjuna is like, I want Pashupatastra, please give me. Shiva is like, Tathastu. He will get resource 3. That is where Pashupatastra is presented. So resource 3 he will get, and resource 3 is a nuclear bomb. He should be locking it somewhere safely. And how he will do it, sir? This resource 3, he will just cut it and put it inside. Inside what, sir? Synchronized like this. Synchronized. He will lock it, and that is what I'm telling there. He's locking resource 3. After locking, he should announce to the world. How will announce, sir? System.out.println within double quotes, he will tell Arjuna got. Arjuna got what? Pashupatastra. So this Pashupatastra, you take it and put it here like this. Now tell me, all the resources he got? Yes, he will not go for meditation again. Sensing this much. Simple. What Arjuna is doing? Meditating. He got the resource 1, lock, announce to the world. Meditate, he will get resource 2, lock, announce to the world. Meditate, he will get resource 3, lock, announce to the world. That is what I did. Sensing this much. See, if you are looking at like this, oh, opening, closure, where, you will not understand. What I am telling, you should listen to me. Sensing this much? Great. So if you notice there, everywhere you have a chucked exception for thread.sleep. So what I should do is, you should go on handling it by telling try catch, try catch, try catch. Another option is you can duck an exception also. So what I will do, better option I will choose. What is that? From here till here, I will just cut it like this. And I'll put this entire thing inside where? Try block like this. Now, this is the opening of the try. You got a closure also there. You can notice? Yes. I will hit enter and I will give my catch block. So what is going to catch, sir? One exception type E like this. And I want to know what and where this exception is happening. So that is why you should use one method. Which method? Print stack trace. I have used it. Sensing this much. Great. Okay, sir. Next what? So this is the story of Arjuna. Now let me go to his enemy. Who is the enemy of Arjuna? Karna. Where will give Karna, sir? Think and tell me. Is Karna is also a warrior? Yes or no? So that is why inside the warrior class only, I will give Karna now. Because Karna is also a warrior. Okay, sir. How will give it, sir? Watch it. I will come here. You can notice. This is the opening of Arjuna. And where you have closed it? Here you have closed it. That is Arjuna. You hit enter. And now I will give there another method. Which method, sir? Public void. The name of the method is Karna. Means he is also a warrior. I'll open this, close this. And what Karna will do? Can anyone tell me? What Karna will do? Karna will do exactly what Arjuna did. What Arjuna did? Meditate, get the resource. Meditate, get the resource. Meditate, get the resource. What he will do now? Same thing. Because he also wants all of these resources, right? Then what he will do, sir? I will not code it everything from scratch. Instead, what I will do? What Arjuna did, that is what Karna is going to do. What Arjuna did? This one. I will copy it. I will come here and I will paste it. The same thing what Arjuna did, Karna is also doing. But some changes I should make here. What changes, sir? Watch it. Karna is going for meditation. He will get resource 1. Who is getting resource 1? Karna. Who is announcing? Karna. What is announcing? Arjuna. You should change it now. What you will change there? Very good. So you should come here and you should tell there, Karna got Brahmastra. Again he will go for meditation. He will get surpassed. He is locking. He should announce to the world. What he should announce? Yes. So Karna got surpassed. Like this I am telling. After getting surpassed, he will go for meditation. He will get resource 3. Again he will announce. What he will announce? What he will announce? Very good. So he will announce Karna got Pashupatastra. Like this. So 2 warriors are ready now. Very good, sir. Next what you will do, sir? Watch it. I will come here. And if you notice there, if my thread should be created, simply will it behave like a thread? No. What do you need? You need run method. Yes or no? But where is the run method there? Let me get it. How will you get it, sir? If you notice there, warrior is extending the thread. So from thread, he will get a run method. Means now, inside this, I will get a run method. And how we will do it, sir, if you ask me, I will come here and I will tell run, hit control space, you are overriding the run method. And what to put inside the run method, I will tell you. And this is how the warrior class is looking like. Sensing this much? Wonderful. So now I will come to my main method. This is my main method. Wonderful. So in this main method, let me quote something. How many warriors I need? 2 warriors I need. So that is why 2 warrior objects I will create there. How is that, sir? Watch it. I will tell new. New what, sir? Warrior like this. I'll open the bracket, close the bracket, semicolon. And for him, you give the reference. What is the reference? W1. And what type it is? Warrior type. First warrior is ready. Next warrior I will create. Next I will create, sir, new warrior like this. And I will create the object of him. Very good. And now W2 is the reference. And what type it is you should tell. What type it is? Warrior type. Now, when these 2 lines are getting executed, how it will look like. Now what's this? Where is warrior? Look here. What warrior is doing? Extending the thread. And you're creating the object of such a class which is extending the thread. What will happen? What will happen? One new stack. Yes? So new stack means it is a new thread. Yes or no? So what I will do, I will just show you like this. There is one thread you have created and you are calling him as what? W1. He is thread number 1. There is another thread you have created and who is he? He is warrior number 2. Warrior number 1, warrior number 2. 2 warriors are ready. Is there any doubt till now? Great. What is the name of him? W1. I don't want the name of him to be W1. I want the name of him to be Arjuna. That is the name I want to give it to him. How will you give it, sir? Watch it. How will you give it? Very good. I will hit enter. I will tell W1 dot. I will set the name. What name you want to set, sir? I will set the name as Arjuna like this. Means now his name got changed and his name is going to be Arjuna now like this. Very good. For this warrior 2, W2 I will not give. His name I will change. Warrior 2 means W2 dot. I want to set a name. What name you want to set, sir? I want to set a name as what? Karna, like this. When you do that, 100% his warrior, that is this warrior, name is 100% Karna, and that is what I am showing to you. So 2 threads are ready. Very good. So now, I should tell these 2 threads that, hey, you start working. Means you go meditate and get the resources. I should tell them. How you will tell? I should tell Arjuna, hey, go meditate. Get the resources. How you will tell? Who is he? Arjuna. Arjuna means which warrior? Warrior 1. So you will tell that, hey Arjuna, go get your resources. You should tell, hey, you start executing. Now I want Karna, hey, you execute. Get those resources. I will tell what? W2 dot start. Like this. Sensing this much. Now think and tell me. Start method means you're calling whom? Run method means run method. Let me show it to you like this. If you notice there, what is the run method there? It is empty, and that is why if you save it and execute it, you will not get any output there. See? No output. Why? Run method is empty. That is why. Then what you will do here, sir? The same kind of a program I have coded previously. Hope all of you remember. Where I have coded? Yes, multiple threads with single run method. The same logic, I want to put it here. How will put it, sir? Watch it. So what I will do, I will come here and I will tell which thread or which warrior is running, I want to know. Which thread is executing, I want to know. How will get it, sir? I will tell thread dot, current thread dot. I want to get which warrior is executing. I will get something that I will store it inside, a name. What is that, sir? name like this, and what type it is you should tell. What type it is? String type. Now, I will tell something here. What you will tell, sir? Watch it. If what, sir? Name. Means which thread I will get there? Say for example, Arjuna will start executing. Means he will go for meditation. Now tell me, who is executing? Who is meditating? Arjuna. So Arjuna will come and sit here. Now literally I want to see is Arjuna is meditating or not. How will you do it, sir? I will tell name dot equals. Don't ask me why equals. I've already told and explained this to you. So now I want to take, is it Arjuna or not? I want to check it. If this is the case, what you should do? What you should do? Arjuna should go for meditation, get the resources. Am I correct? All of this where it is present in Arjuna. So I will come here and I will call one method known as what? Arjuna, like this, because Arjuna should execute. Else, what you should do? Else what you should do? Yes. So else you should tell what? Karana. And that is what I told, because only 2 threads are only there, right? Sensing this much? Great. So this is my program. And let us see how he will work. But this working, I don't want to explain this to you with the help of my stack diagram. No. I want to explain this to you with the help of what? State diagram one by one. Are you guys ready? Watch this. So what I will do, my program is ready. Wonderful. Now you please watch this and get all the states of a thread. What are those states, sir? Watch it. This is the first state. Good. This is the second state. Awesome. This is the third state. Very good. This is the fourth state. Beautiful. This is fifth state. Great. Sixth and 100% seventh. Like this. Let me give the states of a thread there. This is new. This is runnable. Very good. This is what? Running. Very good. This is what? Dead. Very good. This is what? Sleep. Very good. This is what? Blocked. Very good. This is what? Very good. So this is wait. And all of these arrow marks also I will tell. This is the arrow mark. I am showing it to you so that you will understand properly. Very good. So my states of a thread are ready. Now my resources are ready. States of a thread are ready. Very good. Now you watch this. My program will start executing. From where? From main. Yes or no? Main is what? It's a default thread in Java. Am I correct? Means now I will tell that there is one thread known as main. It took birth and now it is in new. So now this main thread will be going to one state. Which state? Runnable state, like this. So now there is one software I told you. Which software is that? You remember him? TS. TS means what? Thread scheduler. So his eyes will always be on the runnable. Only runnable he will see. In runnable, do you have a thread? Yes. Means thread scheduler will schedule the main thread. And now thread scheduler will tell that, hey, JVM, you please start executing the main method, like this. Means now main thread is executing. Very good. So main thread means this fellow. Now he is executing. What is the first line? New warrior. So let me show you where is the warrior. So this is the warrior. You can notice. Is it not extending the thread? If it is extending the thread, 100% you have a brand new thread now which just now got created. What is that thread, sir? If you ask me, that thread name is W1, like that. Sensing this much. So that W1, technically, let me speak, that is what? Thread 0. Sensing this much. It will go to the next statement. What is this? New warrior. Is it not extending the thread? Yes. Yes means another thread is getting created. That is T1, like this. Thread 1. After that, it is coming. See here, who is running? Main thread. Since he is running, all of this is happening. Very good. So now, after this, come here. You are telling, hey, you should not be thread 0. You should be what? Arjuna. Means this entire thread 0 will be replaced. It is gone. And it will have a brand new name. What is that name? Arjuna. So in short, I call it as A like this. And you are telling W2 means thread 1. Hey, your name is thread 1. Your name should be what? Karna. So now this is gone. And 100% this, I'll put it as Karna like this. 2 threads are ready. And after that, you are telling W1, you start. W1 means warrior 1. Who is warrior 1? Arjuna. Means Arjuna, you're telling you start. Means Arjuna, who is there in the new state, from new state, he will go to which state? Runnable state like this. In the same way, W2 dot start. A warrior 2. He is warrior 2. Karna, you are telling go to runnable state like this. Very good. After this, what you have? You have a closure of main. Means main has completed the execution. He's completed the execution means. So now main, which is in running state, has completed. Means where he will go? He will go to the dead state. He has terminated now. Very good. Now thread scheduler. We look at this running. Is any threads are there? No. No means thread scheduler will go to the runnable. Any one of these 2 threads it will schedule. I don't know which one it will schedule. I will assume that Arjuna he will schedule. I'm assuming. So now Arjuna will be scheduled. Scheduled means he started to execute like this. How will execute, sir? Watch it. What is executing? Run method. Running means what? Run method. And now tell me, this is my run method. Let me show you. This is how my run method is looking like. Very good. Now tell me, which is the currently executing thread you have? Arjuna. You're putting it inside name. What is name? Arjuna equals Arjuna. What are you calling? Arjuna. So now Arjuna, it will come here. Very good. When it comes to Arjuna, now Arjuna will start executing. What is the first statement? Sleep. Sleep means Arjuna will immediately move from running state to which state? Sleep state like this. So now when he goes there, thread scheduler is thinking, oh, no one is running. If no one is running, thread scheduler will go to runnable and he will schedule this Karna now. The Karna which is in runnable, from here he will go to which state? Running state. Now who is executing? Karna. What is executing? Run. Run is executing. Now he will come here. Thread dot current thread dot get name. Which is the currently executing thread? Karna will come and sit here. What is the name? Karna equals Arjuna. True or false? False means else part. Karna is getting caught. Where is Karna? I will show you. What's this? This is Karna. Karna is executing. What is the first statement? Sleep again. Since there is a sleep, this Karna will go from running state to which state? Sleep state. By the time he goes, Arjuna has completed his sleep state and he's in runnable state now. He's ready. Because 3 seconds, right? Okay, sir. Now, what he will do, sir? Watch it. Now, no one is running. Thread scheduler is thinking, oh, no one is there in the running state. He will go to runnable and he sees one thread is there. Which thread is that? Arjuna. So, Arjuna will get scheduled. Means now Arjuna will be executing. Now, where Arjuna will start executing? Where he stopped previously? Where he stopped previously? Where he stopped previously? Here. Yes or no? He'll go to the next statement. What is this? Synchronize resource 1. Where is resource 1? Resource 1 is here. To this resource 1, he is putting a lock there. And that is what I am showing to you. He's putting a lock so that no one can take it. And after that, he's announcing to the entire world. What is announcing? I got Brahmastra. This is what the output you will get it. After that, what he will do? He'll go for a sleep. Means now Arjuna, who is in the running state, from here he will go to which state? Sleep state. By the time he goes here, Karna completed his sleep state and is waiting in runnable now. Now thread scheduler is thinking, oh, no one is running. He will schedule this Karna. Karna will go to running state. Now he is running. What is running? Where he stopped previously. Where he stopped previously? He stopped here. Yes or no? He will proceed further. What is this? Synchronized lock means, synchronized resource 1. He wants resource 1. Resource 1 is here. If someone has taken this resource 1 already? Yes or no? Yes means Karna want this resource, but this resource is not available because it is locked. Means now he want this resource. Is it available? No, it is unavailable. When resource is unavailable, Karna is thinking, no, no matter what I want it. So that is why he is going to one state. Which state? Block state. Because resource is unavailable. It is locked by someone. Sensing this much, very good. So by the time he go to the block state, Arjuna has completed its sleep state and he went to runnable. Thread scheduler will schedule him now. He scheduled him means now Arjuna will execute where he stopped previously. Where he stopped previously? Here. Yes or no? Now what he will do? His resource 2, he is locking. This is the resource 2, he is locking. Now this resource 2 will be locked and that is what I am showing to you. He is locking. After locking, what he will tell? Arjuna got surpassed. And after that, where he is going? Sleep state. Means now Arjuna, who is in the, just a minute, okay, Arjuna, who is running from running state, which state he will go? Sleep state. Now you'll ask me, sir, what about Karna, sir? What will happen? Karna will not go out of this state until and unless resource 1 is available. Now you tell me, resource 1 is available? No, it is unavailable. It is already locked. Till it is unlocked, he will stay here in block state itself. Got this, all of you? Great. So now Arjuna, he will complete his sleep state. He will go to runnable. This is the only thread scheduler is having. He will again move to running. Now Arjuna is running. Where he stopped previously? He stopped here. He will go again here. What is this? Resource 3. Resource 3 is here. What is he doing? He is putting a lock. Means now this is my resource 3. He is putting a lock. Lock is there. After that, he is telling what? Arjuna got Pashupatastra. He will announce to the world now. Got this? Beautiful. After this, what statement you have? There is no delay. Is there any delay there? No delay. Means we will continue executing. After this, what is this? Closure. Closure of what? This fellow. This fellow means what? This synchronized. This synchronized means what? Resource 3. Whenever there is a closure, 100% it will unlocked. What is unlocked? Resource 3. Where is resource 3? Resource 3 is here. It is unlocked. Means now Pashupatastra is unlocked now. It is unlocked. But now tell me, Karna will go to runnable state now? No. He will remain in the block state. Why, sir? It is unlocked. No. What do you want? Resource 1. Until and unless resource 1 is unlocked, he will not go there. He will remain there. Okay, sir. What will happen now, sir? Watch it. After this, this one is there. What is this? Closure. Closure of what? This fellow. Who is he? Synchronized. What is synchronized? Resource 2. Resource 2 is unlocked now. Where is resource 2? It is here. It is unlocked. Means now this fellow is unlocked. It is gone. Sir, Karna, sir, he will remain there. Why? Resource 1 is locked yet. Very good, sir. Next, what will happen, sir? Watch it. This is over. This is over. What is this? Closure. Closure of whom? This fellow. Who is he? Synchronized. What is synchronized? Resource 1. Resource 1 is unlocked now. How is that, sir? Watch it. So now, this is the resource 1. It is unlocked. When it is unlocked, immediately Karna will get to know that it is unlocked. Karna, who is in block state, will immediately go to which state? Runnable. Got this, all of you? Very good. So next, what will happen, sir? Now, Arjuna has completed the execution. He is done and dusted. So that is why Arjuna, from running state, where he will go? Dead state. He has completed the execution. Got this, all of you? Wonderful. So now, what is empty? Running. What thread scheduler will do? He will take this Karna, which is in runnable state. He will schedule this. Now he is running. Where is running? Where he stopped previously. Where he stopped previously? Here he stopped previously. So now what he is doing? He is locking resource 1. Is resource 1 is available? Yes. Means now it will be locked 100%. That is what I am showing there. It is locked. And after that, what he will tell? Karna got Brahmastra. After that, what he will do? He'll go to sleep, means Karna, who is there in the running. From here, he will go to the sleep state. Sleep state is over. He'll go to runnable. From runnable, he'll go to running. After that, he will get what? Surpassed. After surpassed, there is a sleep. Means again, he will go to sleep. After 3 seconds, he will go to runnable. Thread scheduler will schedule him. He is running. After running, what he will get? Resource 3. So 100% resource 3 means that is Pashupatastra. And after that, all these resources he will unlock, and he will also complete his execution from here. Where he will go? To the dead state. When all of these threads will go to the dead state, your entire process will terminate. Sensing this much? Wonderful. So let us see, is this really happening or not? If in case I save this and execute it, you can notice my output is looking like this. Great. So what is the output? Arjuna got Brahmastra. Arjuna got surpassed. After getting all of this, he is unlocking Brahmastra, then Karna is going. Sensing this much? Any doubt in this? No doubt. Great. So this is how multiple threads will work with a different stage of a thread. I hope there is complete clarity in this. So to make you understand this, if you read a book, you will be like, what is happening? That is why with analogies, if you understand, you'll understand better. It's not only Java. You learn any subject. When you go to IT industry, you have to update yourself. You have to go to AI, data science, blockchain, IoT. This is niche technology you have to learn. When you are learning, you should always put analogies and understand. You will remember for longer time. Got this? Great. Watch it. Now, let me proceed further now. Great. Now I want to ask one question. Question is, tell me, who is getting all of these astras first? First who is getting? Arjuna. So it is not Arjuna only, right? Thread scheduler scheduling Karna first means Karna will get it. Yes or no? Great. So this time, this example only I will take. Arjuna is getting first, Karna is getting second. So what he will do now, Karna, is he will become intelligent this time, second time. So what he is thinking is, okay, if I want Brahmastra first, I will be getting locked. What is that? If I want Brahmastra first, I am getting locked. Why? Because Arjuna is locking the Brahmastra. So he is getting to block state. Yes or no? What he will do is, he will think that, he is very intelligent, he is a Karna. He is thinking that, oh, I will not go from first. Let me go ulta now. What is that? Ulta. Ulta means what? Reverse. Means he don't want Brahmastra first because anyhow Arjuna is going to lock it. He will go ulta. Ulta means from end. Who is the end resource? Pashupatastra. You will get that Pashupatastra first, Sarpastra second, and then Brahmastra. You will go reverse. And let us see when he is going reverse how my program will react. Are you guys ready? Watch it. I'll close this console. Very good. Now Karna is there. Karna will go from reverse. Reverse means what? Resource 3. Resource 3 is what? Pashupatastra. So he will tell, I got Pashupatastra like this. And after that, where he will go? Resource 2. What is resource 2? Sarpastra only. After that, he will go to resource 1. So that I will tell it there. So this is resource 1. I will tell. Very good. And after that, what I should tell? He got, what is resource 1? Brahmastra. So I will tell it as Brahmastra like this. Sensing this much. So let us see how they will execute. What's this? Let me come here, and you know all the story that we have Arjuna who got created, we have Karna who got created, and main has terminated already. Very good. So now think that Arjuna is there in the runnable and Karna is also there in the runnable. They are ready to execute now. In start method is called. Very good. So now, what thread scheduler is thinking is, oh, no one is running, let me schedule any one of these threads. Any one it will schedule, I don't know which one it will schedule. So it will schedule Arjuna maybe. This is Arjuna, it will schedule and it is going to which state? Running state. So Arjuna is running now. Very good. So what Arjuna is running, sir? Watch it. He will come to the run method, which is the current thread who is executing? Arjuna. It will be stored inside the name. What is the name? Arjuna. Equals Arjuna. What are you calling? Arjuna. Very good. There is no change like with this program and previous program. Then also go on listening to me. Watch it. Now, Arjuna is executing. Now tell me, what is this? Sleep. Means Arjuna, who is in running state, he will go to sleep state. Now thread scheduler is thinking, oh, no one is executing. It will schedule Karna. Means Karna will start executing now. This is Karna. Karna is executing. So first line he will come. What is this? Sleep. Means again he is going to the sleep state. So this is the sleep. He will go to the sleep state. By the time Karna go to the sleep state, Arjuna is finished his sleep state and is going to run a. Now thread scheduler is thinking, oh, no one is executing. Let me schedule this. Arjuna is executing. Where is Arjuna? Arjuna is here. Very good. So now he is executing. This is where he stopped previously. He will come here. Resource 1 is that. What is doing? Is putting a lock. Means resource 1 is Brahmastra. He is putting a lock, and that lock I am telling it like this. And after putting a lock, he is telling what? Arjuna got Brahmastra. He will announce. After that, there is a sleep. Means Arjuna, who is there in the running state, he has completed and went to sleep state. He has run and he went to sleep state. By the time Karna has completed his sleep state, where he went? To the runnable. Now thread scheduler is thinking, oh, no one is running. Let me schedule Karna. Karna is executing. Where Karna is executing? Where he stopped previously. Where he stopped? He stopped here. He'll go proceed further. What is this? Resource 3, locking. Go to the resource 3. This is resource 3. Is someone locked him? No, he is available. Since he is available, the Karna will get it. Since he can get it, he can put a lock also. Now he is putting a lock there, and that is what I am showing to you. Resource 3, he has locked. Very good. After locking, what it is telling? Karna got Pashupatastra, he will announce to the world. And after that, what is there? Sleep. Means now Karna will go to one state. Which state, sir? Sleep state he will go. By the time he go, sleep will go to runnable. Arjuna will go to runnable, from sleep state to runnable. Very good. Now Arjuna is executing. Thread scheduler is telling, hey, you execute. Arjuna is executing. Where is Arjuna, sir? Arjuna is here. He is executing where he stopped previously. He stopped here. Yes or no? Very good. After this, he will go here. Resource 2 he won. This is the resource 2. What is that? Surpassed. What is doing? Locking. Since it is available, 100%, Arjuna will lock it. He will lock. After locking, what he will tell? He got surpassed. After telling this, he will go to the sleep state now. Arjuna, who is running, from running, he will go to the sleep state. By the time Karna has completed the sleep state, and he went where? Runnable. Oh, no one is executing. Thread scheduler will schedule Karna. Karna is executing now. Now Karna, where he stopped previously, he stopped here. Am I correct? So now, he want resource 2. Think and tell me. Resource 2 is here. Is it available or unavailable? It is unavailable, means Karna want resource 2. It is unavailable means it will go to one state. Which state? Locked state, like this. Very good, sir. Next one. By the time he finishes, Arjuna completes his sleep state, and he will go to which state? Runnable. So now thread scheduler is thinking, hey Arjuna, go run. Now Arjuna will start executing. Where he stopped previously? He stopped here. Yes or no? Now he wants what? Resource 3. Where is resource 3? Resource 3 is here. Is it available? Unavailable. If it is unavailable, where Arjuna will go? Very good. Arjuna will go to block state now. So now Arjuna is telling to Karna, hey Karna, you release this Pashupatastra so that I can get this. Yes or no? Now Karna is telling to Arjuna, hey, you release Sarpastra so that I can get it. This fellow is telling him, you release so that I can go to runnable. This fellow is telling to him, hey, you release so that I can go to runnable. He will also not release. He will also not release. They remain in the blocked state forever. Forever. Sir, forever means what, sir? Forever. That is what, sir? How many years? 100 years, 200 years, 300 years, 400 years, 1,000,000 years also you come afterwards. They will remain in the blocked state. And this is technically known as deadlock. This is known as what? Deadlock. The name itself tells that dead. Dead means, looking at this word only, you guys are getting frightened. Dead. Yes? Yes or no? Great. So deadlock means multiple threads are in block state depending on each other. This state is known as deadlock state. Sensing this much, I just want to tell you this, my dear students. You as a programmer, you should never ever code your program this way, so that software will stop for 1,000,000 years. It will not work. What kind of a software is that? Sensing this much. Whenever you're coding a software, you should be very, very cautious, careful, and you should take care that your program is never going to reach that state, that is deadlock state. Got this, all of you? Great. What is deadlock? Multiple threads are in the block state, which will remain forever because of dependency with each other. That is what the answer you should hear. Got this, all of you? Great. So let us see, is this really happening or not? If in case I save it and execute it, this is the output I am getting. What is the output, sir? Just a minute, you'll get it. Okay. So Arjuna got Brahmastra, Karna got Pashupatastra, Arjuna got Sarpastra. Okay, sir, you got Sarpastra. Next what? I'll tell you. Sir, it is not coming only, no, sir. Maybe it is terminated. Is it terminated? No. Think and tell me, when process will terminate? When all the threads will reach the dead state. Now tell me, all the threads reach the dead state? No, only one thread. There are two states which are waiting in the block state, and that is why your program is still executing. It is not terminated. Sensing this much. Sir, you wait, sir, it will work. Okay. If you have all the time on the planet Earth, you code it in your laptop, okay? And every day you see him. Is it executing or not? It will be, that's it. It will not proceed further. Got this, all of you? Great. See, some students will not understand this. So that is why my duty to make them also understand with the help of analogy. What is that, sir? This is a very interesting analogy. Please watch it. There is a boy. There is a boy. Great. There is a girl also. Girl is also there. Good. So let me bring them center of the stage, because these are main characters for me. Center of the stage. Okay. Boy and a girl. And this is a story of one boy and one girl. What is that story, sir? See, boy got admission in engineering college. Girl also got admission in the same engineering college. In the first year, you know already that P cycle will be there, C cycle will be there. It's common. All these subjects you will learn. Yes or no? Great. Same class these both are. Same class. First day, first day. Boy is sitting like this. He's listening. Now girl came late. See, there is a saying, if you want to highlight, you should always go late, it seems. No, don't do that. Just telling you, what's this? So this girl went late and this boy saw her. Because classroom is here, he's sitting like this, girl entered. From here, 100% yes. From here, your eyes went there, like this. First sight love happened to that boy. Beautiful girl, I want her. That feelings got generated, it took birth. Now, this boy is having full feelings on the girl. Good. Second day what happened? It reversed now. What is that? Boy came late. Girl is sitting in the class. Now girl also, she's looking at the classroom, she's listening to the lecture. Boy entered. She also looked, oh boy, first sight love again. Now she is also having deep feelings on him and he is also having deep feelings on her. But this boy is like, hey, let us go for a first step now. Let us become friends. They both of them belongs to the same lab only. Lab is there, same lab. They're like, give me pen, I did not got the pen. Like this. So this boy took the pen to home. Tomorrow he came. He was like, hey, I'm literally sorry, by mistake I took it. So please take this pen back. She's like, hey, okay, no problem. Like this friendship started to generate. Very good. Now, after some time, they become good friends. After some time, they become best friends. They started to eat lunch together, breakfast together, sharing all of these assignments, everything. Become best friends. But they have that thing, that feelings. That, hey, I want her. I want she to be my girlfriend. That is his feeling. And her feeling is, I want him to be my boyfriend. That is her feeling. Good. But what to do? Even though these are best friends, this girl never expressed her feelings to him. He also never expressed feelings to her. Why, sir? Attitude. It's like, hey, why I should propose her? Let she only propose me. Girl is like, why I should propose him? He's a boy, right? I'm a girl, right? He should propose me. He should propose me. Both of them have the same attitude. Nothing will happen in first year. Only best friends. Second year, computer science branch. Same feelings. He will be waiting. Hey, she will come. She is waiting. Hey, he will come. Nothing will happen in second year also. It will go. Third year, same. Fourth year, same. Graduation day, same. Feelings they have, but no expression. Means in engineering, this love story did not succeed. After engineering, no job. Because they were busy in something, right? How come they will get a job? So they will not get a job. They will feel like, oh, I will not get a job. Let us join the best institute in Bangalore. They will be like, okay, let us join TAP Academy. TAP Academy came. Who came? Girl came. So what happened to boy, sir? Where is girl? TAP Academy. He will also come running to TAP Academy. Girl is there, boy is there. Some of you are like, sir, why are you telling my story, sir? Okay. Anyhow, so now, boy is there in the class, girl is also there in the same class only. Now how it is? Both of them are coming. Together only they are coming. They are sitting in the class. Girl is there. Maybe I'll show it here. So maybe girl is there, boy is there, I am teaching there. Boy, when very important concept is going on, his concentration is not on the concept. He is looking at her. And she, very important concept is going on. I am teaching. She is like, She is like this. Their brain, their minds are totally into this. That boyfriend, girlfriend, no matter what, this should happen. But what to do? After some time, course is over. When course is over, she will get placed in one company. He will also get placed in one company, but this time, not the same company. He will get placed to different company, she will get placed to a different company. Now tell me, in TAP Academy, this love story succeeded? No. Sir, I think in this it will succeed. Let us see. Now boy and girl, they will get separated now. He went to one company, she went to another company, like this. But then also, they will be like, hey, he will propose me. He is like, she will propose me. Now also nothing will happen. After some time, girl's age will become 28. 28 age means society will tell that you are becoming grandmother. That is what society will think. So time to get married. is what parents of her will tell. So what she will be like, okay, he's never came to me, I think he don't have feelings on me. So what she will do, he will or she will marry to another guy like this. What happened to him, sir? He will be like, oh, she married to another guy. Yeah? So many girls are there. So that is why what he is thinking is, oh, you ditched me. No problem. I will get even more beautiful girl compared to you like this. Because that was the attitude they were having, right? Yes or no? Now tell me, what happened to their love story? Huh? Deadlock. Means she is having feelings on him. He is also having feelings on her. Hey, she will come. She is like, hey, he will come. There is a dependency with each other. But think and tell me, did they came? No. They went to a deadlock state. And deadlock state is too dangerous. See whom they are getting married. Sensing this much? Now you got? Now you got? Great. Stories you guys love, right? Okay. What is the deadlock then? Multiple threads in a block state which will remain forever depending with each other. This is a deadlock. Got this all of you? Great. So this is all about deadlock. This is all about states of a thread. So tomorrow we'll try to understand one brand new topic known as thread communication. We'll see it, but before that, I told some students yesterday to do the aptitude. Who are those? Who are those? You have done 30? Show me. See, I'm unable to remember, to whom I asked. Because 4 batches, for all of them I'm doing the same. Aptitude. No? You told the answer. Okay, here. I told some, for how many questions I asked, only one person did not answer. You also. Absent. Good. As expected. One extra. Good. Okay, wonderful. So let me proceed with my questions now. Watch it. No, you should not watch. I will watch. Okay, so let me start from you only. Sit, please. Sit. Okay. So can you please explain OOPS concepts in 1 minute? Yeah. 1 minute you should explain. That is not completely encapsulation. See, this is a very important question in interviews. Explain OOPS concepts. Most of the time they will ask. Same question I'm asking. Yeah. Beautiful. Great. Beautiful. Security to the private parts. Don't laugh, please. That's not the end. Encapsulation is not the end. Only private. Only giving private. Encapsulation is reusability. Okay, don't be sorry. See, encapsulation properly, you should tell the answer. Security you told. After that, private. That also you told. Then after that, great. Then good going. Proceed further. Now it is perfect. Now, then, afterwards, inheritance you proceed. Beautiful. We are explaining entire inheritance. For that, I should stay here for a day now. 1 minute you should explain. Proceed further. Polymorphism. See, if you are able to understand, he knows the answer. The thing is expression. I've been telling you this. Expressing is damn important. Please practice. Proceed. That is inheritance completed. That is inheritance. Acquiring the properties and behavior. So how many ways are there to handle an exception? You. How many ways are there to handle an exception? 2 ways. Can you please list them? How many ways are there to handle an exception? Yeah. First one. How? No. Last bench. How many ways are there to handle an exception? Yeah, which are those? Very good. How? Good. Good. How? That's it? No. Try, catch, throw, throws. That's it? No. Try, catch, throw, throws. Finally. Last one. Means what? Ducking means what? Beautiful. Great. What you will give? How will you achieve it? By throws? Okay, brilliant. So please big round of applause. Great. So I'll stop my discussion here itself. Let's remember the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Great. 30 aptitude questions tomorrow. Great. So tomorrow we'll try to understand more about threats. Thank you so much.